Hello guys. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm gonna show you how to find anyone passwords, emails, or anything typing on keyboard. Before starting, you need to install Python into your computer. Open your web browser and type Python. Go to python.org. And click Download tab and download. I'm not going to download because I already downloaded. I hope you already installed Python in your computer. Firstly, you need to install PyInput package. So, open your terminal and type pip install PyInput. If you use Windows, open CMD and type pip install PyInput. Wait until complete downloading PyInput package. It's not downloading in my, because I'm already installed PyInput in my computer. Now open your Python IDLE or your favorite code editor. I'm using Python IDLE and follow my steps. After opening your IDLE, click on New File and click Save As. I will save on my desktop and give keylogger and click Save. So you can save any location, give any name do you want. Remember the file extension should be .py. First we need to import our downloaded package PyInput. Following my steps. This is the path of getting our all keyboard details, its text file. Also I gave it my default path desktop. So you can give any path. Okay, now save this code. And open terminal or CMD and go to your keylogger.py location. And type Python keylogger.py and hit enter. Look, now you can see got KeyLog.text. Now typing anything on keyboard and it all spelling store in KeyLog.text. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe